To compare numbers, you can look at their signs and also look at the size or magnitude of the number. For instance, if numbers are negative and you compare them to numbers that are positive, well, the ones that are positive will always have greater value. We can take a look at comparing these on a number line. However, you don't need the number line in order to compare them. If I was to look at this number line and I'm looking at the negative side and I ask you to compare -3 versus a -4, and I asked you to put an inequality symbol in here, by that I mean either a greater than, a less than, or even an equal sign. I asked you to put one of these symbols inside of there. Well, you can look at the number line and say, which of these two numbers, -3 or -4, is closer to 0 on the number line? If I look here, -3 is right here, and -4 is right here. And looking at that concept, -3 is closer to 0. -4 is a little bit further. The more negative it is, or the further it goes to the left, the less value it has. The closer the number is to 0, the greater it is on the negative side. So in this situation, because -3 is closer to 0, it is greater than a -4. That is not the same on the positive side, because we all know that the numbers get larger as they go down the line. It increases. I'd rather have $100 versus $2. On this side, I'd rather owe $1 than owe $4, let's say. So the closer the negative number is to 0, the greater value it has. I'm going to remind you that this sign, your 5th grade teacher might have said, is the inequality symbol for greater than, and that the mouth is always eating the biggest number. It says -3 is closer to 0, it is a larger number.